Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to reset screen password and FRP unlock Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. Now watch this video and follow step by step. Just only connect your phone USB data cable with your computer. Now press and hold same time power and volume down button. After that, phone reboot automatically. After reboot your phone, you press again power and volume up button same time. Now press volume down button and select wipe data factory reset. Press power button for confirm. Press volume down button and select factory data reset. Press power button for confirm. Press again power button. And phone reboot automatically. After that you wait few minutes. Thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for next video.